For years I've been raving about this compost, Levington's Seed and Modular. It's great, but it's really expensive and hard to get hold of. I've been getting it off Amazon. I think it's like £25 or something delivered off Amazon. That's a lot, even though it's a 75 litre bag. I've now completely changed my mind and switched over almost completely to this cheap and cheerful from the garden centre, multi-purpose, as rough as anything. But what I'm doing now is I'm just taking this really rough compost, putting it into my modules, and then once I've got it full, lightly full, you know, not pressed down or anything like that, then I compress it down with my fingertips like this, and then I fill just the top, you know, 1 centimetre of the module with the Levington's Advanced. And then once I've planted my seeds, or sown my seeds rather, I just top it up with the Levington's Advanced. So the seeds are kind of only in contact with that. And, you know, it's worked just fine. I've not had any issues. I'm still growing really nice seedlings. Doesn't matter what it is, onions, pak choi, lettuce, brassicas, anything. They're all really enjoying growing in this. And I think this is 3 for 12 or something like that. So at £4. So it's depends on, you know, maybe it's a sixth of the price of the Seed and Modular, and I can just pick this up at my local garden centre. So, you know, I really had a bias against this rough compost, but, you know, I'm not taking any of the sticks or bits of sort of fluff out of it or anything like that, and it's doing just fine. So yeah, I've completely changed my mind. And the really nice thing that I like about using this multi-purpose is that for 90% of my compost use, I'm just using exactly the same bag. So I'm using it for seeding, as I've just described, with just this tiny little bit of the Seed and Modular compost. I'm using it 100% for all my pricking out. I'm using it 100% for all my potting on. And I'm using it 100% pretty much for all of my final planting in pots for, you know, tomatoes and peppers and things like that in the greenhouse. So just one compost for everything. Really cheap, really easy to get a hold of. Yeah, it's really nice. I really enjoy changing my mind about something. Anyway, my name's Steve. This is the Seaside Kitchen Garden and Allotment channel, and I'll see you soon.